Now we are starting the second question of the same assignment, and we are going to replace the position of P. Instead of going to be at C, now it is going to be at B, and now we'll look at the situation for that part there. So question number 2 now, let y is equal to 2x square plus px plus 2, and we are going to solve the same three questions. Find the value of p when it has two roots, when it has one root, and when it has no root there. So we are going to follow these three steps in the same question, but we have replaced the position of p from C to the B position. So we will first find out discrimination. That thing is p square minus 4ac. That thing is equal to p square minus 4 into 2 into 2, or that thing is equal to p square minus 16. So this is the general discrimination for this question there. And now we are going to find out these three roots there. But for this, we are going to find it out that for the first part, b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0. So we can write this thing as b square minus 16 is greater than 0. Now, you can use this word critical solution. This means that p square minus 16 is equal to 0. So whenever you are going to use this less than or greater than 0 there, then use this word critical solution and put it equal to 0 for that part. And then p square minus 16 is equal to p plus 4 into p minus 4 equal to 0. Our p value is minus 4 and 4 there. Now you will draw the sketch of this part according to this quadratics. Since the coefficient of x square is 2, so the shape of that graph will be minima. So it is like this. It is the value of a, let's say. So if a is greater than 0, then the shape of that graph will be minima. And if a is less than 0, then the shape of that graph is maxima. So this is minima and this is maxima. So for this b square minus 4ac, you have put that thing, is it in between minus 4 and 4, and that is square coefficient is positive, so it should be minima there. Now we are going to look at that graph that we need greater than 0. That means what? Positive. So positive is after 4 and minus 4, it is positive values there. So we can write the answer for this portion as p is less than minus 4 or p is greater than 4 for the first part when it has two roots in that equation there. For the second part, when it has one root, then it means b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. And already we got the values of p there, which is minus 4 and 4, because b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. And for the third part, it has no real root. That means b square minus 4ac should be less than 0. And from this graph, it is less than 0 between minus 4 and 4. So p value will be greater than minus 4 and less than 4 is the answer for this part, because it is less than 0 is this portion there. So that answer is minus 4 till 4 there. So this is the way that we are going to solve the quadratic inequalities when the values of p is going to be replaced with c. And same is the answer for a and c when they are going to change, then this equation will be same style of that we will going to solve. Now we will solve the next question. in the third part when the values of that thing is given some words for that question there, which are important for the solution of that